This is your warning. This video contains content that might not be appropriate for all audiences.
Yeah, let's take a chance, showing on the bush.
Okay, so the thing with provisioning in Guatemala is that it's not like you can just go to the grocery store. You have to go to like each different little tienda to get what you need. So I thought it might be a little interesting for you guys to see what it's like. First, we're gonna take a tuk-tuk down to the end of town and then we'll work our way back. Tuk-tuks are like $1.30, so super cheap and very awesome. Very fun to ride in. There's so many. Necesitamos ir al... Oh, gracias. La Pentorsa? Pentorsa.
Pentorsa.
Ya. Como Lorenz, acerca de Lorenz. First stop is picking up the water pump that we had rebuilt for the engine.
How much is 350 here?
100 is 13.
Yeah. So 40 bucks.
Now we walk across the hardware store.
Without our water pump.
Without the water pump. We gotta go back. There it is.
Does it feel like it? Rough? Ooh, that's
That's what you want?
No, it's too scratchy.
Oh, too scratchy.
Yeah. You gotta be right in between.
Wait, Spence! I want to look at the fanny packs.
Alright.
You can't walk around without shopping. Ta-da! That is the place.
Those smell delicious.
You have to stop for stuff to eat. It's important to eat. I like how I don't like filming because I think people are like, oh, she's a tourist. Ta-da! Like I don't stand out already. Now that we've gotten something to eat, we need to go get bread, which is hard to find.
Latin America, yeah.
Now we head to vegetable stands.
Yeah.
Very picky about which stand I use because people rip you off, so this is my favorite stand. vegetables for 121 quetzales, which comes out to about
$10.
$17, I think.
Wait,
Yeah.
100 how much?
121.
I guess.
Yeah. So now we are going to the last store, which is not in town. It's Tienda Reed, to get booze and other staples.
Also, like, I'm on like our food ready for the after.
You are?
Yeah, we gotta.
Should we go to the boat first?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. Back in action.
Back in action. Saber is a near miss with the gross oversteer.
Back in the saddle again. Well, you made it, right?
Yeah. Sure, for the video, why not?
Well, you're not going back to the boat, so I'm assuming that means you made
Are we
it.
going to...
Cheekies.
Okay.
Unless we need to go back to the boat.
No, I'm good now.
Do we?
I'm good.
Are you sure?
I don't want to talk about it, it's fine.
So at Cheekies we buy such things as liquor, canned tofu, which is a really awesome thing that they have down here. And then we also buy the staples like rice, flour, sugar, all of those things that are there. Kind of round out the rest of the provisioning trip.
Ready for the trip. Got toilet paper and booze.
All right, we're back from provisioning. It only took 3 hours. It's a pretty good provision day.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Not
So,
very hot today. That's fucking nice.
and now because there are guys like this in the market, I will be washing all of our fruits and vegetables now.
You should do that anyway. It's not necessarily like this area.
That's
like
true.
even back home, people pick their nose.
That's true. I'm just kind of excited that I got this guy on film.
Yo te traigo esta bomba puertorriqueña. Yo te la traigo de Cupey, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de todas partes de Puerto Rico. Esta bomba yo la dedico a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupey Alto y Lo Mejía en Vega Baja. ¡Que gocen! ¡Sí! Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Bomba, bomba está presente, aquí lo canta mi gente. Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Baila, baila.
I also wanted to show you that the last provisioning trip we went on, the flea market was going on, and one of the cruisers was selling a SCOBY and kombucha starter, which I thought was pretty amazing down here. So I do have my kombucha started on the boat.
You just don't. Is it wreck enough that we have to add more probiotics?
Well, yeah. I've yet to really consume it because we've been a little...
Gastro intense.
Yes.
Gastroactive, I like to call
Yeah.
it.
When we were in town today, I bought
Testicles.
sausage that
That looks
was
like
homemade. Why don't you show them?
When you get them out.
And Spencer, the person that made them, said that would go great in pasta.
He
So
said spaghetti.
spaghetti. So
Spaghetti.
we are going to try this. It looks very
Testicle.
authentico.
Who's gonna have diarrhea? Well, at a certain point, you can't have more diarrhea, right? Dun, 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 dun.
You're gonna whip it up for us, huh, Spen?
Yeah, I'll whip it. can't try it.
Do it!
It's so goddamn hot.